Hello beautiful souls, this is Neetu Cha and I am coming up with Divine Akashic God workshop starting from 10th of May. This is 21 days of intense workshop in which I teach step-by-step process to read self-record and anybody else record. So if you are the one who would like to help other by reading their record by sitting at your home at your own convenience, then this workshop is for you. Here I teach a detailed process of reading the record and also to find out the remedy related to any issue, whether it is health related, relationship related or finance related, or it could be anything else. So if you are interested in this workshop, do enroll for it. The link of registration is given in a bio. You can also ping me at my personal chat for any question related to the workshop. So see you in the class. Thank you.